With warm regards to you all, myself Amulyati, studying second year BSc Agriculture at University of Agricultural Sciences, GKVK, Bangalore. I am the former student of CNC PU College, Chitradurga. I am here to speak few words about my college. I am really glad that I was a student of this prestigious institution. After securing 97% in my 10th board examination, there were many choices in front of me for selecting the college for my PU education. And I selected the CNC PU College, which I can say that it was my best and the right choice. The integrated teaching method, solving higher level MCQs by the experts, teach and test method, motivation given by the lecturers were all served as a collective effort for me to secure 98% in my 12th board examination and to get and rank around 2000 in my KCET examination. And also, the college provides a good lunch facility and a vehicle facility. Along with the academics, there is also an exposure for co-curricular activities like sports and other cultural events. And the programs like subject-wise quiz programs has made the learning process more easier and in a more joyful way. As a proud CNCN, I would like to say that there will be hundreds of choices in front of you when you are heading towards your dreams. If you select your choice as CNC, then you are at your best choice. Thank you.